be repeating tingly, 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 tingly sentences. I will be repeating a lot of tingly, tingly, tingly sentences, I will make any sentence super, super tingly, super, super tingly. Today I put on some lipstick, pink lipstick. Today I put on some 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 pink lipstick. Pink lipstick. Today I ate oatmeal for breakfast. Today I ate oatmeal for breakfast. Today I ate oatmeal for breakfast. Yesterday I watched Man in the High Castle. Yesterday I watched Man in the High Castle. Yesterday I watched Man in the High Castle. Today I've been filming lots of videos. Today I have been filming a lot of videos. Lots of videos. Today I've been filming a bunch of videos. Today I've been filming a bunch,